What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So, we can't say Google Pixel 6 is leaked because Google got ahead of any possible news leaks about the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro by announcing the phones back in August. We even had the chance to see the phones on a display in New York City, and aside from all that, all we've seen are renders. But that changes today as Mr. Brendan Lee shared a prototype Google Pixel 6 Pro hands-on video on Twitter, which is going everywhere. So yeah, the model is definitely not a retail unit. The logo on the back is a dead giveaway. However, it looks to be a late stage prototype, so the final model could be a little bit different. But yeah, this is our very first hands-on video of the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Anyway, if we get into details, the video shows a grey Google Pixel 6 Pro prototype. We can also see the startup screen. Android 12 will display when you first set up the device. Note that the startup screen is in a dark mode instead of the usual light mode, which is fun to see. And yeah, the Pixel 6 Pro will have a 6.7-inch Quad ID Plus screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is like crazy. And unfortunately, there is not much new information to glean from this Google Pixel 6 Pro hands-on video. It does look great though, and should make people even more excited for the eventual launch. Speaking of which, we are getting fairly confident that the launch date could be October 19, which is right around the corner. Other than that, there is nothing much in this video except that this is our really first hands-on video of the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So yeah, what do you think about the design? Well, let me know in the comments down below, and if you somehow found this video interesting, then a sub to the channel would be a great reward for me. So as always, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.